Hi friends, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a fall refresh. My bag is giving left in the heat, so today we are going to be doing a full face swap from summer essentials to fall essentials, since summer is technically over, even though it is super hot here in Houston and it's going to be hot until October. But all the stores have all the cute fall decor, so I was like, you know what, let me get a head start. Oh, and also, did I mention we're keeping everything under $10? Yes, every single product is under $10. You already know I'm the queen of drugstore. So with that said, grab your cafecito. I am drinking one today because I'm filming early. So cheers, and let's go ahead and get right into it. First things first, we're going to start with hydrating the skin. For the fall, I really like to focus on skincare products that are going to be very hydrating and that are going to just work pretty much all winter long to repair my skin barrier, because it gets pretty cold here actually, and I definitely don't want my skin to dry out. So we're going to start with an affordable skincare product. This is the Vitamasques Hydrate Milk Glaze, and I don't have anything on my skin right now. I just washed my face in the morning, or I guess a few minutes ago, and then I let it dry, and my skin has been looking so good, y'all. Oh my gosh, I am so proud of her. This actually acts as a toner and a moisturizer. So for me, I'm just going to apply this, but I'm going to seal everything in place with the Vitamasques Hydrate Milk Glaze Face Mist. So it's almost like the same thing, but I just feel like this adds an extra layer of hydration, and mixing them both gives you the most hydrated, quenched skin. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I also like to apply this to my chest to make sure we're nice and hydrated. And I have a bruise here. No idea how, where, when I got that, but hello. For my foundation swap, we are getting rid of the CC creams, tinted moisturizers, all of that. Like, I don't want to see that for a very long time. Anytime I am out and about, I always reach for a serum, tinted moisturizer, or something, just because it's really hot here. So for example, one of my favorites is the Kylie Cosmetics, but of course we're swapping her for an affordable product. Today I'm going to go with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade 108. I love this one. Hello, she's only $10. She's under $10 at Walmart. She has a nice matte finish, but it's not too matte. It's like the perfect semi-matte. She's medium to buildable, full coverage. She's creamy. She blends out very, very easily, and it just wears really nice. And I love the warmer undertones because I still want to look a little bit bronzy and like tan and just warm for the fall without looking too pale. So this is my pick. For concealer, I don't really have one that I wanted to swap. You guys know the NYX Snatch concealer has been like my go-to, but I recently picked up a new one, and she's $7. The Beauty Creations Flawless Stay Concealer. It is full coverage. I think it might have been a little too light, but that's okay because now that I'm going into my winter season, she tends to get a little bit lighter. So I hope this is okay. That's pretty light. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna make it work, girl. All right. Ni modo. It's only $7, and I was like, you know what, full coverage, absolutely, give me it. So let's see what she's all about. I have not tried it. It's been sitting in my vanity for the past like week because I wanted to try it with you guys. Okay, we're gonna blend her out. I'm gonna tap her in and see if she really is full coverage. Oh, she is full coverage. Okay, perfect. I'm okay with wearing like a medium, maybe like almost sheer foundation, but as long as I have my full coverage concealer, we're gonna have a good day. There she is, blended out. Not only does she sit really pretty on the skin, but it blends out really nicely, and it is full coverage. Like, dark circles, who? We just don't know them. So we're just gonna tap out the other eye, blend it out. I really like this. The formula is nice, creamy. And then for my bronzer, I think I'm still gonna stick with one that I recently discovered that is $1.25. The L.A Colors Sculpting Duo Cream and Powder Bronzer. This is in the shade So Sculpted. It is a little light though. It is. But I believe they have one other shade. And if you guys missed it, I did do a full face of Dollar Tree makeup and I was so shook by it. And honestly, I've been using this ever since. So we're just going to stick with that. I'm going to go in with the cream product first. We're going to sculpt out the cheekbones just right here. I'm actually just going to keep this right below because we're going to apply blush on top of it. But see how that defines the cheekbones really nicely? Crazy to say that this is only $1.25. Crazy. I'm also going to mix a little bit of this e.l.f. bronzer. This one has also been my go-to in the shade medium tan from their soft glam collection. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. I'm only going to use this on the forehead though, because I do want to keep the cheekbones nice and sculpted. But I always like to add a little bit of bronziness to the forehead. So I'm only going to keep it up here, especially in like the sides of my forehead. I was going to say the frontal, I don't know what I was going to say, honestly. My favorite part, blushes. I was thinking we can swap corals and the bright pinks for more berry, rosy toned colors. And the perfect package came in a few days ago. Some of them arrived broken, which sucks, but that's okay. We can still use them. Hard Candy is giving us new blushes. These are the Blush Unlock Cream and Powder Duo. Look at this one. This one is called Soft Peach. And then we have this gorgeous one, which I think might be a little too dark for me, but it's really pretty. It's called Toast Me Warm Terracotta. Look at that. Is that not like the perfect berry tone color for the fall? This is the one that came broken. It's called Royal Flush and it's a rosy mauve color. So these are the colors that I'm talking about that we should lean into for fall. There is the shade Toast Me. I don't know. Do you think I can make it work? Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are colors that I never gravitate towards, but for the fall, absolutely. Look at how pretty and warm that is. Oh my gosh, that's really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to tap this out. That is actually so stinking cute. Tell me that is not the perfect fall blush. Oh my gosh. Honestly, if you have deeper complexion than me, I think this color, it's going to be stunning on you. Another shade perfect for this is Royal Flush, which is more of a mauve rose. So we're going to tap into that color as well. This is the one that came broken. So as you can see, I literally just had to throw away more than half of the blush. That's okay. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Honestly, these two mixed, I think look really, really pretty. I've been living under a rock my entire life because what do you mean I haven't used these colors on my skin? I mean, I have used them. Let's not be dramatic, Karina, but I tend to go with like coral colors. You guys know me. Corals are just like my comfort zone, but this is really pretty. Next swap is eyeshadows, and of course we are swapping out the colorful, bright, crazy eyeshadows for something a little warmer, burgundies, browns, all that stuff. Today I figured I would stick with something super, super affordable. So we're gonna go in with the Profusion Nudes 10 eyeshadow palette. I feel like this is like an all-around just perfect palette for year round, but it definitely does scream fall because of like the warmer, almost like pumpkin-y colors with like the very pretty browns. So we're going to use that, and then we're going to use a burgundy eyeliner, and this is going to be the perfect fall transitional makeup. So let's get right into the eyeshadow tutorial. I'm going to start off with setting the brow bone, and I'm going to use this like very pretty vanilla shade. I'm first going to dig into this, which is my bronzer. You guys already know I am notorious for using my bronzer as my transitional shade. I just feel like it just makes such a difference and it really ties in the whole look. So I'm just going to use that as my transitional shade. And then we're going to go into some of these browns. Really, really pretty. And I love the color of the powder bronzer. It's really nice. I'm going to keep this area open so we can add a color afterwards. Moving one shade over, so this nice brown, and we're gonna take that, and of course we're gonna throw it in the crease. Look at how just pretty this palette is, y'all. If you don't have this in your collection, it is the perfect fall palette. It's pigmented, it blends, it layers, it's creamy. So pretty, and the colors are just perfection. Look at that. $5 palette. Last but not least, I'm going to go in with the very last color on the palette, and this one we're going to keep it right here just to add a little bit more depth. You can even use this as a little eyeliner because it is so pigmented. Oh my gosh. Just going to keep it out here in the outer V of the eye to create that soft smokiness. Just bringing it in, so ending it where my like eye ends, like the lash line ends, and then bringing it in a little, blending it, but stopping just right here, right where the arch of my eyebrow is, just like that. And I'm gonna go back to that white shade and lay it all over the lid. These are very pigmented, so a little goes a very long way, as you can see. I'm just patting it in. Now I'm going to go in with a burgundy eyeliner. These are great. I feel like for the fall, browns and burgundies are like the perfect colors. If you're looking for a really good eyeliner, there's actually a few that I recommend. The first one is one that I recently found at the Dollar Tree. It is the perfect brown, but if you want something a little deeper than the Hot Precision liquid liners from L'Oreal in the shade Brown Leather, it is the prettiest brown, and the shade Burgundy Cashmere is the perfect fall shade. So that's what we're going to use today. Look at that. Look at that color. Oh my gosh, perfection. I'm gonna add some lashes, and I'll be right back. I think I really want to try the burgundy liner with a burgundy pencil eyeliner. This is also from L'Oreal in the same shade, Burgundy Cashmere. Then I'm going to tie all of that together with the Panorama. This one is not $10, it's a little bit more, but I don't own a lot of burgundy mascara, so this is in the same shade, Burgundy Cashmere from L'Oreal, and it's just a really, really pretty burgundy mascara. Look at that. It is so rich. Let's finish it all off with lips. I don't know, for lips, let's just go with something warm. Honestly, I wear nude lips all year round. Even though for fall, I feel like berry tone lips are very, very pretty. It's just not me. So I'm just gonna do a cute little brown lip liner. Let's see how this looks together. The Maybelline Maybe It's Soft Satin Lipstick. Really pretty. That's really pretty actually. Obviously, nothing is completed without a good setting spray. For that, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Stale Night Microfine Setting Mist. I'm going to shake her up really good. Oh my goodness, I feel so pretty. I feel beautiful. I feel sexy. And I feel like I just went on a whole fall trip. Like, hello. Love, love, love how the makeup turned out. It's very pretty and sultry, but very fall appropriate. I cannot believe we did a full face transformation from summer makeup to fall makeup. Everything that I have in my purse now is very fall coated. We have eyeliners that are right at $10. We have these Maybelline lipsticks that are so creamy. They have a beautiful satin finish. They're maybe about $7. Everything is perfection. If I have to say, my favorite thing has to be the blushes. Oh my gosh, y'all, run to your local Walmart and pick up a shade or two of these blushes because they're just so pretty. And look at how gorgeous they make my skin look. Obsessed. So that is it. That is my fall makeup transformation. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you made it till the end, let's leave some little fall emojis so I know that you stayed till the very last minute. And of course, let me know what your fall favorites are, skincare or just makeup in general. I love you guys so much. Cannot wait to see you in the next video. Stay safe and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.